Welcome back to the Beaman Bros. We're going to unbox the PS5. Okay, so we have this.
We got a cord. Nice.
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 We have a controller.
We got a controller. We got an extra one over there.
We have a cord.
We got a base. It's the stand.
We have
to keep it
another
up.
cord.
Another cord. Of course, we don't know what those are, but many people do.
We have a stretch.
We have a weird thing here.
A white box. Because the PS5 is white.
We have a little.
We have a PS5 there. Of course, it's called a PS5.
No, wait. Let's just pull this baby out.
Okay. Well, I think
We're gonna write that in. No, we're not. We're gonna hold it with our hands, okay?
Cut this out. Yo, chill out.
No, person. We're gonna get this off it.
Yeah.
And this is the console.
Okay, let me feel it. Oh,
Yeah.
there's more boxes. Oh, it's so
Oh, it
nice.
feels so smooth.
Oh, it's so
Oh, it
nice.
feels so smooth.
Oh, it's so
Oh, it
nice.
feels so smooth.
Oh.
This is the console.
Yes, the PS5.
The actual PS5.
It's so smooth.
I don't know if there's anything else. I don't think there is. Oh, it feels so nice, guys.
Yes, it sure does.
Let's look at admire the little symbols on there. Sony. And then you got the controller, another controller. But first, let's unbox these little things. Like this controller.
Yeah,
Let's
whatever
feel this real quick. I heard a couple good things and a couple bad things about this.
Yeah.
Oh, it's better than I thought it was going to be.
Okay, so let's open this controller.
I love this controller.
Open this one.
Oh, no. Let's not like this.
There's two controllers for both of us.
Yeah, we got two controllers here. Oh, no.
What
No,
happened?
stop ripping it.
I'm trying not to.
And we'll just get it out real quick. With my brother here, my little brother. Yes.
Excuse me, I'm not visible. I'm 8. How do I do this? This right there. Oh, I found it.
So I love this controller here. It was a button.
Yeah,
I've actually never had experience
What are we
with
doing?
PlayStation
What are we
before.
doing?
It's right here. I've never had experience. I had Nintendo, Switch. I had all those types of good
I'm scared
stuff.
of this.
But it's not as good as this baby right here. The graphics are way worse on Nintendo.
Way worse.
So let's just try and okay, listen, I'm done.
Okay, me too.
Pull this out. Yeah, we got another one. You can pull it now.
I call this one.
I'll pull this one. Feels so nice.
Yo, look at this. It's so
We
white.
also got this console and we got everything.
Look at
And
this.
Now it's time to show you this thing. This is the base. You can put it vertically, you can put it horizontally, I don't know if that's a word, but it can pretty much go any way. So you just put it on here, this way, it can go up or it can go this way. Like, I don't know if that's vertically or horizontally, it's just a way. And then you can pretty much put it each way you want. Except I think there's different ways you can put it here. But so if you get one, just don't put it the wrong way or anything on here. So we're gonna do a video like on and like playing it, and it's gonna be an amazing video.
Yeah, we're gonna
be playing Fortnite or Miles Morales or Astro's Playroom. You'll have to see to find out.
So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. I'm so excited. Oh my, I'm acting like I'm not, but I really am.
Plug it in there. Okay. Get to get the controller. Get one controller. I'm gonna get this controller. You need to get a cord. A cord. This cord. This cord.
Well,
I got it.
how
No. This. You put it into. This. And what you need to press. You need to press it on. See, it's on. Just need to press this button. Press it. What does it want you?
That?
Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB y pulsa el botón PS.
Thank you for the compliment, lady.
This is really
This is copyright music, by the way.
I know. So we would have to turn it off.
Okay, be cool. Be cool. Helping Spider-Man protect a giant prison convoy? You can handle this.